bird of prey on your windowsill, eyes you never knew before. There in waiting, moments still, for you to close the window, open the door. Times don't change, but people do. Scars on your face, stains on your soul. Letters so strange, but nothing new. Death of the summer that brings the fall. So far, so good, walking long. For as long I have a song I can sing about the things that tomorrow brings. So far, so good, walking strong. For as long I have a song I can sing. I can sing. Peace of nothingness at break of day. No face to smile, no place to stay. Shiny and scary at the same time. While looking for melody, you're missing the rhyme. Pick up the bill while the bucket is still on. Nobody knew they were so long. Tiny and scary, singing like home, for lives and times that are gone. So far, so strange, so long. As long as I have this song, I can sing about the things that tomorrow brings. Princess of Babylon is easy as catch, with the eyes of a hole that roll and lean to the edge. That lonely thought for the end that you saved, well, this life